Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders Trap Team on your personal computer. This classic adventure can be enjoyed through emulation, which involves using specialized software to mimic a console's environment. You will need a few key components to get started, including the game's digital files and an emulator program. This method allows you to experience the game with enhanced graphics and modern controller support, bringing the magic of the Skylands to your desktop. To begin your journey, you will need the Semu emulator, a powerful tool designed for Wii U games. Next, acquire the Skylanders Trap Team game files, often referred to as a ROM or ISO, specifically for the Wii U console. Finally, a compatible Skylanders portal is crucial. Portals from Wii, Wii U, PlayStation 3, or PlayStation 4 consoles typically work, connecting via a standard USB cable. Xbox portals are generally not compatible. Once you have Semu downloaded, extract its files to a convenient location on your computer. Launch the emulator and set up your game path, directing it to where your Skylanders Trap Team files are stored. Configure your graphics settings, often choosing the Vulkan API for optimal performance, and map your preferred controller. Many players find that a resolution of 1080 pixels provides a crisp visual experience. Connect your Skylanders portal to a USB port on your PC. In your computer's device manager, update the portal's driver to a generic USB input device for Semu to recognize it. Within Semu, enable the physical portal or utilize the built-in emulated portal feature to manage your Skylanders and captured villains. While the portal speaker may not function, all gameplay elements, including traps, are fully accessible for an immersive adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.